Algebra 1, Lesson 2-6, Ratios, Rates, and Conversions. Learning target. I can find and solve ratios, rates, and conversions. Definitions. Ratios. Compares two numbers by division. Rate. A ratio that compares quantities measured in different units. Unit rate. A rate with the denominator of 1 unit. Example, comparing unit rates. Team A performed 188 floss moves in 61 seconds. Team B performed 260 floss moves in 85 seconds. Let's write each team's flossing ratio. So for Team A, the ratio is 188 floss moves, FMs, in 61 seconds. Or, doing the division, about 3.8 floss moves per second. Well, that's 3.08 floss moves per second. So Team B, 260 FMs in 85 seconds. Or about 3.07 floss moves per second. So in the second ratio, we have the unit rate, and then we can compare. Per second, Team A had slightly more floss moves per second at 3.08 floss moves than Team B at 3.07. So we see then that the winner is actually not that team. The winner is Team A. Example, unit conversion. First we have to talk about the conversion factor. A conversion factor is a ratio of two equivalent measures in different units. Two equivalent measures in different units. So the first thing we want to do is do some examples of converting. So let's convert 290 minutes into hours. Since 1 hour equals 60 minutes, we can use that as a conversion factor. So if I were to divide both sides by 60 minutes, something over itself is 1, so 1 hour over 60 minutes is equal to 1. So I can multiply 1 hour over 60 minutes times anything I wish. So we multiply 290 minutes, which is really over 1, times 1, written this way as 1 hour over 60 minutes. And we notice that I have minutes in the numerator and minutes in the denominator, so those cancel. And then zeros cancel. So what I really have now is 229 hours over 6. Doing the division, we have about 4.8 hours as our answer. So 290 minutes is about 4.8 hours. Next, let's convert 4 miles into feet. We note that 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. If we divide both sides by mile, And notice by 1 mile, the reason I'm choosing to divide the mile is I know I want to convert miles into feet. So we're going from miles into feet. So I want feet to be in the numerator and miles to cancel off. I also know that a mile over a mile is 1. So my conversion factor then is 5,280 feet over 1 mile is the same as 1. So that means I can multiply 4 miles, which is really over 1, times 5,280 feet over 1 mile. Because 5,280 feet over 1 mile is the same as 1. It doesn't change anything. But notice, because mile is in both the numerator and denominator, it cancels off. So what I'm really going to do is end up multiplying 4 times 5,280 feet. That equals 21,120 feet. So 4 miles is exactly 21,120 feet. Next, let's convert 24 kilograms into grams. The first thing to note is that there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. Since I want to convert into grams, I'm going to divide by 1 kilogram on both sides. And so 1 kilogram over 1 kilogram is 1. So that's my conversion factor. So that means 24 kilograms over 1 times 1,000 grams over 1 kilogram is really just multiplying 24 kilograms by 1. But the kilogram over kilograms cancel, and 1,000 times 24 is 24,000 grams in 24 kilograms. And that ends our section 2.6 video lesson.